How to sign out of Roku account. Roku does not have a direct sign out option. Instead, you need to either perform a factory reset or unlink your device from your Roku account. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your mobile device, then simply visit the Roku website. Once inside the Roku website, you will get to see email and password option available there. Now enter your credentials and tap on the sign in option available there. Now, once signed in, simply tap on the My Account option available in Roku. Inside My Account, you will get to see My Link Devices. Under My Link Devices, find the device you want to unlink. Then simply tap on the Remove Device and confirm it. So that is it. If this does not work, then you will have to factory reset and it will require setting up your Roku device again, including re-entering your Wi-Fi and account information. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.